Why, hello, my fellow smilers. I know I haven't talked to the air in a while. She'll probably get nervous. We are awfully bored. It's a rainy day here in northern India. Boy, I left you guys a long time ago. As a matter of fact, a very long time ago, and I apologize for that, but I obviously suck at making videos. I mean, like my last video 2 weeks ago has 4 views, so I mean, it's like, I don't know. I know I said that I'd do it. No, yeah, hell, nobody watch, I'd do it. Well, obviously, I was jumping the gun on that thought. It was fun for a while, but it takes a lot of time and effort to, make those things. And and if I was good, because I agree, I wouldn't really watch them either. I agree with y'all for not watching them. So I thought about maybe doing like just vlogs of my journey instead of trying to make videos, which might be better than what I've been doing. But since it was raining out here, and watch a big baby, she loves to look out this window. She loves to look out that window, don't you? See what's going on. She's my baby girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's my good baby. It's getting big, isn't she? Anyway, I thought it's raining. We are stuck in this, doesn't feel like Big Bertha right now. It feels like itsy bitsy teeny weeny Bertha. When it's raining and you can't go outside. Well, you can go outside, but it's cold. It's not only raining, it's cold and it's raining. But anyway, I thought, let's jam for a little while. I've been, practicing a little bit on the harmonica. stuff. I sure do love music, but I like it outside by the bonfire a lot better than sitting in itsy bitsy teeny weeny bertha. But at least I got company. But anyway, so I'm headed back to Virginia on Monday. I'm right now in northern Indiana, just to give you the lowdown. And if you think that I should just do vlogs, and let you guys know what's going on, it sure would be a heck of a lot easier for me than trying to do all that editing and filming, and until I get better. I mean, jeez, I just think I suck so bad at making movies. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, keep smiling, y'all.